There's no 2 days the same in our house. Myself and my wife rotate between working remotely or working in the office. We wanted a larger vehicle because our kids are growing. We had the same concerns I think most people have when you suggest an electric vehicle, that you'll go on a long trip and you won't be able to charge your car and you'll be stuck at the side of a motorway. The reality though now is that the technology has moved on a lot in the last 10 years. The installation process for the EV charger was really straightforward. We just had to purchase the installation through the Energia site. We had the installation partner come out and do a site visit, completed the installation for us within 4 hours, and we were able to charge our car. Since moving to the smart meter plan with Energia, we've noticed a big saving on our bill. Using the app has been what's really helped us understand what our electricity usage has been. And it helps us make decisions about when and how we want to use the electricity. Having the smart meter along with the app allows us to understand week to week how our usage pattern changes. We make decisions based on the peak times when we're going to do certain things, so we can set our car up, plug it in. We go to bed, we don't have to worry about it. We get up the next morning, the car's charged. We get the best rate that we can to charge the vehicle, which makes it extremely affordable. I definitely feel more in control of our energy consumption these days. We've had nothing but a positive experience.